Welcome back to Rider Zone, the place where extreme machines, luxury builds, and future vehicles come together. Today we're diving deep into something absolutely wild, the 2026 Toyota Fortress Emperor 6x6. This is not just an SUV, not just a truck, and definitely not something you see every day. This is Toyota stepping into the ultra-heavy, ultra-luxury, off-road domination category, and doing it in a big way. The first thing that hits you about the Toyota Fortress Emperor 6x6 is its sheer presence. This vehicle looks like it was designed to rule deserts, mountains, snowfields, and city streets with equal confidence. The massive six-wheel configuration instantly tells you this is built for extreme conditions. The extended chassis gives it a commanding stance, while the reinforced body panels and aggressive lines make it feel more like a military-grade luxury fortress than a traditional SUV. Up front, the design is bold and intimidating. A huge armored-style grille dominates the face, paired with slim adaptive LED matrix headlights that automatically adjust to terrain and lighting conditions. The bumper is reinforced with integrated recovery points, heavy-duty skid plates, and an optional electric winch designed to pull this beast out of almost anything. Everything here screams durability and control. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the widened fender flares that house massive all-terrain tires mounted on beadlock wheels. The 6x6 layout isn't just for show, it dramatically improves traction, stability, and load-carrying capability. Whether you're climbing steep rocky paths or crossing deep sand, all six wheels work together to keep the Fortress Emperor moving forward. Side steps are power deployable, making entry easy despite the vehicle's towering height. At the rear, the design remains muscular and purposeful. The cargo area is fully enclosed and configurable, meaning it can be used as a luxury storage space, expedition setup, or even a mobile command-style compartment. LED tail lights with dynamic indicators, a reinforced tailgate, and rear recovery hooks finish off a design that feels both premium and indestructible. Under the hood, Toyota doesn't hold back. The 2026 Fortress Emperor 6x6 is expected to feature a high-output twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain, combining raw mechanical power with advanced electric assistance. This setup delivers immense torque, perfect for towing, climbing, and hauling heavy loads without sacrificing efficiency. Power is distributed through an advanced all-wheel drive system specifically tuned for the six-wheel configuration, with locking differentials on multiple axles for maximum grip. The suspension system is equally impressive. This vehicle rides on an adaptive air suspension with off-road tuning, allowing the ride height to be adjusted depending on terrain. You can lower it for highway cruising or raise it significantly for rock crawling and water crossings. The suspension constantly adapts in real time, keeping the ride surprisingly smooth for something this massive. Step inside, and the Fortress Emperor transforms from a rugged monster into a high-end luxury lounge. The cabin is spacious, quiet, and loaded with premium materials. Think hand-stitched leather seats, brushed metal accents, real wood trims, and ambient lighting that changes based on drive mode. This is Toyota luxury taken to an extreme level. The driver's cockpit is dominated by a large digital instrument cluster and a massive central touch screen that controls navigation, off-road systems, suspension settings, and entertainment. Toyota's latest AI-assisted infotainment system learns driver preferences and provides real-time terrain analysis, suggesting the best drive modes for sand, mud, snow, or rock. Seating comfort is top-tier. The front and rear seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging, making long journeys effortless. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level legroom, and depending on configuration, the back can include captain's chairs, a fold-out workstation, or even a mini lounge setup for expedition travel. Safety and driver assistance are taken very seriously in the Fortress Emperor. It comes equipped with Toyota's most advanced safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring for the extended body, 360-degree cameras with off-road visibility modes, night vision assistance, and terrain scanning sensors that help prevent underbody damage. Despite its size and power, the 2026 Toyota Fortress Emperor 6x6 is designed to be usable every day for those who dare. It blends extreme off-road engineering with luxury, technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability. This is a vehicle built for adventurers, leaders, and anyone who wants to go where others simply can't. So if you're looking for something that combines dominance, comfort, and futuristic engineering, the Fortress Emperor 6x6 stands in a league of its own. Let us know what you think about this ultimate Toyota creation in the comments, and if you enjoy deep dives like this, make sure to stay tuned right here on Rider Zone for more insane vehicles from around the world.